Hello everyone, welcome to Comfy Eating. Today we are going to make a quick salmon fry. We are going to coat the salmon in rich garlic butter sauce with a hint of lemon to give it that zesty kick. This dish is not only easy to make but is also loaded with flavors. For this recipe, first we will start by marinating the salmon. First we will add some salt, then red chili powder and black pepper. We will rub the spices evenly on both sides. We will nicely coat the spices on both sides and let the salmon sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing all the flavors to seep in. Now we will heat a pan on medium heat, add some butter to it, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Now once the butter starts to melt, we will place the marinated salmon fillets in the pan. We will cook the salmon for about 2 to 3 minutes on one side by covering it with a lid. We will cook it until it develops a golden brown crust. And now we will flip the fillets and cook the other side for same about 2 to 3 minutes. Once both the sides are nicely and evenly cooked, we will remove the salmon from the pan and set it aside. Now in the same pan we are going to add chopped garlic. I've used here about 4 to 5 garlic cloves. We will saute the garlic nicely for about 1 to 2 minutes on a low heat. Once the garlic becomes golden, we will add some freshly squeezed lemon juice. We will add some about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and stir well. Now we will add the fried salmon pieces into the pan and nicely coat them with the garlic lemon sauce. We will let it simmer for about 1 minute before we switch off the flame. So our yummy salmon is ready to be served. The butter, the garlic and the tanginess from the lemon makes this dish absolutely irresistible. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting and delicious recipes. Thank you for watching.